go into the MDI mode. So you want to press on this, on the screens up here, you want to press S2. Yeah. And then if you press your custom button, or is it graphics? Can't remember. No, graphics. Yeah. That takes you to your screen, your MDI screen. You're in MDI, and then you want to type in G97, S100, M3, and then P11, end of block. Yep. And then when you hit your cycle start, is that working?
Is it after being?
Oh, here. This key switch needs to be there.
Yes.
Yeah. That's for auto. It should work now. Yep. So that's started your main spindle. You can leave that running. It's put G97, S100, M3, end of block. Oh yeah, P12. Yeah, insert that. Yep. Now when you press cycle start on that, that'll start up your driven tool. Now if you put G97 and you want S100, M3, and it's P13, end of block, insert, and that's your sub-spindle. Yep. Now you've got everything going at once. Then if you hit your reset, all stops.